Normally, I don't give my interviews in front of media. Why? Suppose I'm giving answer of 5 minutes. Most of the time, they purposely edit it and give a different picture of my answer. Sometimes, due to lack of time, they shorten it, and in ignorance, they give a different answer. So either they do it purposely most of the time, so that if my answer is effective, they will cut it and edit it, and the whole answer will seem to be something else. Or, out of ignorance, while making it short, the answer seems to be different. That's the reason I purposely avoid, though I get calls from various media, from various international media to give interviews and all, I avoid most of the time. Inshallah, when we have our own channel, then we can have the correct picture. We can give them copies of our tape. You want to show this. If you edit it, the full version is there on our channel, inshallah. And starting a channel is one thing which is difficult. Second is, starting a channel and running on the guidelines of Quran and Sahih Hadith is more difficult. So inshallah, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you pray that we stay on the right track in this channel on Quran and Sahih Hadith, and we're able to convey the message. And I'd like to end the talk with the verse of the Quran of Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 81, which says, وَقُلْ جَالْ حَقْ وَزَاقَ الْبَاطِلِ إِنَّ الْبَاطِلَ كَانَ زَهُوقًا. When truth is heard against falsehood, falsehood perishes. For falsehood is by its nature bound to perish. وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.